Hi, my name is Trevor with Ember's Fireplaces. We're showing you Ortal's open corner fireplace. It's going to be their tall glass, their high series. What's kind of a new feature that we wanted to show you is the paneling on the back. So we have a couple options. You can do like a black reflective panel, which you've seen in some of our other videos. This is almost like a matte finish, which is more like a stone veneer. And you can see too, on the outside of the fireplace, it's on the exterior, so you can get that to match for your hearth, which is going to match your paneling on the inside. So just kind of different design option. One of the things we really like about Ortal compared to some of the other fireplaces is how tall in these type of clean units is how tall of a flame that we can get with a natural vent. So none of these are power vented. It's not sucking that flame up. So you get a nice aesthetic look with a big flame appearance and a natural vent with those new panel options. So thanks a lot for checking out.
Thanks so much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.